Hi, this is me. This is my Usborne Party Group. I sell fabulous award-winning children's books, and I also love to do graphics and fun social media stuff. So today I'm going to show you how I made this little Polaroid picture frame thingy for my hostess. This is an event that we actually did in my party group. I do all of my parties in my party group. And so we have this event here, and it looks really great. Always adds a nice personal touch when a guest can see, exactly, oh yeah, this is my hostess. Yeah, I know her. So I'm going to show you how to make this picture right here that you can then put on any kind of event banner graphic or anywhere really. All right, so let's go to Picmonkey. I love Picmonkey, and we're going to use just the regular version right now. And we're going to go to Edit. And then we're going to choose a picture. So, like for example, let's make one like that for another hostess. I've already saved her profile picture. That's normally what I use. So I'm going to go to Computer. I'm going to enable Flash, allow. All right. Let's do it. There we go. Okay. And it's going to pull something up. Cute little winky wink monkey. Okay. There we go. So it shows up like this. I'm going to go to Open New from the computer. And I have a folder just for faces. These are all my faces. So let's make one for, Bethany. She's sweet. All right, so we're going to go to Open. Then it's going to pull up that picture that we just opened. There it is. There's Bethany. Okay, so then I'm going to go over here to Frame. See this? It's like a little frame. I'm going to click Frame. I'm going to select Polaroid frame. Boop. Now, love it, but I want the background to be transparent so that I can put this little Polaroid picture on top of any other graphic I want. So I'm going to click this little box. Good. Now, when you see the checkerboard, that means that that's transparent. So nothing will show up here. All right. Now, I don't want it to look washed out though, because I really like it when it looks really bright like that. There you can see it really looks really bright. That's what I want. So to do that, you do Effect Fade. See, right now it's on 0. I'm going to go bring it over, and look, she's getting brighter. Look how beautiful that is. So that's the regular picture in a little frame, transparent background. Excellent. I'm going to apply that, and then I'm going to export that. That means save it. I like to save as a PNG file. I'm going to export to computer, and we'll just save it as faces. We'll do Bethany frame. Okay, save. Perfect. Now I can show you what I did to make it look like this. Now, I actually have a paid version of Picmonkey. We'll pull it up. Because I do this a lot, it does make sense to pay the small fee to have like the business version or whatever they call it. So here I am, and I'm in beta. Now you don't have to, you can still do this the regular way, but since my image is saved over there, I guess I could do it the other way. Let's see, we'll just do it, let's do it, why not? All right, so we're going to open new computer. Okay, and let's see, we're going to go to Facebook party. And we're going to go to banners. There we are. Okay. And here we go. We'll just do it right on top of, we'll just do it right on top of Desiree's. Okay. So here we go. Now I'm going to put Bethany's right on top. So I'm going to go over here to the butterfly, click, that's for overlays or for graphics, and I'm going to add my own. From computer, where I just saved it, go back to my faces, wherever you saved it, Bethany frame, open, and boop, look, there it is. Perfect. But as you can see, it doesn't have this little shadow that I really love, which is something that is only done in the new Picmonkey. So I do recommend, if you really like that, it's a small upgrade. Okay, so we're just kind of we're going to position it, but look, we're going to make it. I'm going to try to zoom in. We're going to make it so you don't even see that. But what's really cool is that in the new Picmonkey, all you have to do is press one button and it makes that really cool shadow. There is like, you don't have to do anything fancy. You just like check a button and it makes that shadow. All right, so that looks great. And then I want a little thing there that says like with Bethany. So I go to text, a little text box here. And text, there we go. And then whatever looks good to you. And in this old version of Picmonkey, you can add your own, do yours. You know, we'll scroll all these different ones, find something you like. We'll just say this one's not my favorite, but for purposes of our little demo here, then you just click inside and it says with Bethany. And then you can just go like this. You can click and drag to make it a little bigger. If you want to change this font or change the color, you can highlight it and then click on this black bar here. And that's going to give me the eyedropper tool. That means it's going to match any color that I put it with. So I really want these two to match. Perfect. Then I click out of it, and then I can click and drag it right over that. Do the little circle and make it just like that. Boom! With Bethany. And then you export it to save and just save it how you want it. And that is it. That's it. Now if you do the new Picmonkey, which I love, do the beta, switch to new Picmonkey. The way that you'll do that is very similar. So I have this saved already, and that's what I love about Picmonkey. It saves all your stuff. Click on it. I'll edit a copy. I'll call it Bethany Banner. This is my event banner. And look, I can save it in all these different kinds of folders. Let's do Facebook party. We'll create. And there it is. I want to add an image. See, the butterfly tool is gone over here. Now you just go to add an image. I want it from the computer. The hub is like if you've already saved something and you want to use it again, you can just do it from there, which is really cool. And we'll go to Bethany. Where'd she go? B. Bethany. Holler if you see it. Where is it? B. Bethany. There. Silly. There it is. Okay, so let me show you that really cool drop shadow button. All right, so here we have the same thing. We just made this. Make it a little smaller. Move it around. But see, it doesn't really stick out, which is what I love about the drop shadow feature is you can just make things pop a little, add some depth. Makes it really cool. And something else really neat is that if you click on something, and see, and here they're called layers. Every element here is a different layer. So it's really easy to select exactly what you want to work on. So here, I can just use the arrow keys to make like minuscule changes, which is really great. Like changes in the position. So now I want to make the drop shadow. I want to make it stand out. I go to effects and I just click drop shadow and look, boom, it gave that really cool like look of depth. And now if I want to make it even more kind of intense, I can go down here and look, I can change the intensity so it makes it darker. Really cool. And then I would just go to text, add text, it'll pop up over here. I can do whatever I want with Bethany. And then again, you want to highlight it. This time you click here, and then the eyedropper, just so much nicer, the new version. That, and then I can just click and drag it over, and do this, make it right there, make it a little bit bigger. Anyway, you know what to do, you know what to do. Easy peasy. All right, so that's how you make this cute little Polaroid frame that looks really great on an event cover or anywhere. You could do that with anything and just put it anywhere. But all right, well, thank you so much. If you have liked this video, if you like children's books, I encourage you to join me over at melodiesbookbarn.com. That's my website. And you can find me on Facebook at Melodies Book Barn. Just got my name instead of Usborne. Really cool. And then my VIP group is where all the fun stuff happens. So definitely join me there. It's called Melody's Special Peeps. We do fun giveaways, prizes, contests, sneaky peeks inside the books. It's just a lot of fun. So I hope you'll join me there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, everyone.